Our first audit feature is the Policy Usage Report, which shows which policies are hit by traffic, both by number of hits and bandwidth. Auditors like to see reports of policies that have not been used over a given time period. For example, no activity for 90 days is a PCI audit requirement. Our next audit feature is the Policy Map, which is a visualization tool that quickly highlights which policies are used by traffic passing through the firewall. Quickly shows if traffic is passing through inappropriate policies. This visualization stands out compared to anything offered by our competitors in this space. And it's especially useful where an admin or an auditor comes in and has to review a firewall that has been set up by someone previously. Like everything in the cloud, you can drill down and filter to find more detailed information. For audit feature number 3, let's look at the configuration of policy on a firewall, where we can see the detailed deployment history and configuration report. This is a plain English description of firewall configuration, very useful to save off as a record that you can share with auditors. It's easy to quickly navigate between sections. But my favorite part, which is new in 2022, is the ability to directly compare the configurations between two different deployments. You can see a detailed, clear description of what's changed between each configuration deployment.